worry a time okay. All those information now. Ebe call from the student. Ubet media account. One fan account so and surgery.
Okay. With regards to payments, no. Which may you see me current wife, me credit card. Authorize the
yes, ubet me Eddie aye. Ubet me dia ye. Uhwe form no so payment slip form no. And I'm there are 2 sections near all your application no. Any near old triasika no. And the ding about the applicant section. Not or no, the ding about the card holders section. And the ubet me di aye.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's fine. That's great.
Okay.
That's great. Now, with brother, last one. With respect to referees, no. Nipane enye. Okay, menya 2 referees. You say menya specifically to be a teacher and a lawyer, but be a social worker.
Yes, I think a professional is fine. Let me use a social worker who is a professional, or if you your pastor can do it for you. Yes, all this any of these professionals better me assign amount.
Okay. Me CP. Me favor. Ko Facebook na share video na video I connect to why.
Oh, all right. Okay, that's great. I'll do that now.
Na me nim the internal streaming Facebook for now. Person dodge me bomb one.
All right. Okay, I'll go to.
Mate, me da CP nyame inshallah so Rainbow Radio Sini more expecting somebody joining and well Facebook Live and as I say Atimia connecting starting here for the past 30 minutes in Timimba but to say there you can see us and watch us live so share the video now to us so number no be 0208 46460208 1134 Uncle Wisdom me war WhatsApp message be ewa ha yenti no na yen hesi beti answer mani pakra
yo
nipa na dodge me Mr. Emfasa name and remember enye no na me here say hello good morning Adi saying yes mami
but I'm from to say
nyame adom boko na so
adumo but
Uncle Wisdom wa ha
Potter, good morning.
Good morning, Mommy. It is saying.
Hello, Potter, good morning.
Good morning.
Uncle Wisdom, where did you Potter me person before some cacrebi?
Cosway.
Potter, my family say, last week, you know, me bunny peer cockroom, or by no say, the Potter would tell me.
Me, tea, Cosso.
Or by no say. Obi say we are you know person of far we Ghana bar possible because see amu you can for no amu fi you know mununti possible and I think to ko DNA so and so and ye me throw me be sound say no cry na
mame enya no cry Emrano ensisaye, hwe ensisaye. So we are uni now we krom ha we are qualified person. You see qualified person, I just or ye juma and or self-employed, self-sufficient. So once the panel ye qualified person we krom ha no. A kwan wo ho and emrano so ma ho kwan se obet me e de nebusuafo ana nebusuani abekrom ha. Now, se or ye
naka me banu no kru no say obeta kafa me banu nua me second born bema aba but last no anke ben ye anke ben ka na say betu de na aba so also be so say na me say so anke ben say be ye djuma ana o tiri pa ko say die eni so eso de papa na so no so papa no en ye djuma na me say aden e tiri me person be anke ben say bibia ye bi samu
and
it's a part of the sound.
Ampa. Sanke by my advice, I mean, coffee baby, I be more. And near kind and also Namis Bium say under regulation 8 no, for extended family members. And say you name wa worry, or better medi, Nikuno and Anire. Ebusuafo ne nuan so obetimi ay application amano na emanaba now emrane kire se esese wo kire se ye uni na wo ha ana one ne kunu e na ehwe omabusuane na owo Ghana no ti so obetimi kire se
onu na ohwe no
omo hwe no ansa na obekrom ha
I don't know no
yes, depend. Very good. And to say evidence no why I just no ena ana omo ena omo hwe na money transfer receipts ebia efia owo Ghana kra no. Very good. It is purely evidence based. Evidence ne ne ho a eno de wo ye ho hwe a enye yi, but the evidence no ho a obetimi de akire obetimi ayasa application. Of course, as I try the relationship nso ewo omontem. And to say you na worry rubana and yet here marriage certificate I check the relationship between them. Fantastic. And to India it shouldn't have any problem. And to when here ni owa hano ni birth certificate ni nua na owa Ghana no so ni birth certificate I be check say omawofu eye baako ana se eno enye adwuma mpo a ene ombetimi aye DNA me will be at the table so the relationship between the two parties is 54.9% as siblings. With enono, it's conclusive say ampa omoye enwianomo. And to say birth certificate no now the DNA so edika ho a say ampa omoye enwianomo. Na udi evidence of dependence in so ka ho a obetime the application no ediatom together with the fact say you na wo ha no or a qualified person. Into the passport copy, or the embassy, or my copy, a stamp, the pay slips, the bank statement, which is not required, but not yet the account just for completeness sake. Yo, yate. Thank you.
Okay. Yo, man.
Last we sank a bell, or something say it because Monsieur Quadano, and I'm quarrying from months this I see it's Libahano. It's a bit for Yejuma, never see you, but it's for last no, or the banner so they say, not for Yejuma, yes, the new mammy. Now, I better say, but maybe because
hold on. The Uncle Ben Becano for no Yejuma.
What?
For no Yejuma. Why?
What my timid as Yamin Show. Let me stop the perimeter. Say bye bye you.
Bye bye you. Area be walk. Come on. Anyway, young Collins no so now me war a year voice note back. I'm say we there. And Jimmy. Uncle Wisdom so yinti we.
Yo. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Jimmy. Patrick Musa. I don't forget this name. Say well we 3 years ago. I we 6 years in India. I'm sorry the final one and a form of Busan and also Mr. Form Bernard Oberfele. Because I check was a different from the BWF into the form. I was different from local mistake. So it's one form Lydia and I, but they had the Amano. Good morning. Bye bye.
Yo, form will be completing a set O. SET and then O in bracket set O. So form no na overprinted. Now I completed. There are some sections of our form now so are any relevant and the uncompleted only the relevant sections. Because we share so a be war tier 1, tier 2, the short route and income calculations, a whole lot of sections are not relevant. Into set O unprinted and complete the relevant sections now for your application.
Right. 0208-133-4646. Hello, good morning.
Oh, fine, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, fine, my name is Uncle Wisdom, I with you.
But Uncle Wisdom,
yeah,
oh, okay.
Oh, fine, Uncle Wisdom, good morning.
Good morning, Tete.
Dromoy. Oh, fine, I talk about you. Be info a be. The meantime, ni papa slawe be. And if papa ni ba face sponsorship, or find a mini over say. Igbe certificate no.
Okay. You gan you few you can nyema ya into details e we.
Over no we tree.
You.
Oh, we are manu isi.
Over no isi you. Opa mini shinle yo.
Over okay?
Me wolo yo, budenche me wolo yo.
Ofa na be wolo red book eh.
Okay. Ni osmoni eba hi bi alo tan eba basla wo eke.
Shika na mehio na shika. Le we chuoni ye Ghana.
Okay, that's fine.
Eni chumo yale wo ebani wo be eti back.
Not a problem. Yo, ebanye ba ne ba slanye. No ni isani fia ke nyama fia application under the visitors route e handle. No visitors application no ni isani twa ke ba ya back to Ghana. E we sane e kani bi ni ba twa ke ba ya akafeta he. E wa ke ntuni isani he letter ye enuchumo here no G1 ebanye ke bank statement agbe he e pay slips agbe he ni e ba twa ke heni echuo ni ye position ni eyo ne e ba ni ba slanye ke ni esane eya. In fact mfeko recently similar to your situation papa le ni efi application ha ma mi le I refuse le ni wasan wo feko ni wo keke papa le ebanye ni ekema mi le abanyin shin. At this moment, Jena Kaita on Eba neighbor Slam Kekeni back near Kehale. Just based on that little clause, they consider it and give it to him to come. No, give it to her to come and visit the husband. It was Ubanyo for application ale. My main kind of chim not because in Crane is suspecting.
I do.
Yes.
No, Uncle Wisdom of no eba certificate.
Eba here. Of course, eba here evidence ni track bokele. There is communication between you. There's a genuine relationship between you. Ibanya telephone calls, itemized bills, greeting cards. Now can it be just to show it is a genuine relationship? Yeah, Ibanya agbe. She Kenyan fe cover letter is an Indian statement very, very clearly he is coming for a visit. Ibanya ba, Ibanya be, but because you haven't met the financial requirement at this moment, Ibanya ba slanye koni ya back.
No, what invitation in letter Muna. Because of situation there where by
yes. There's a section on the form and do you have any additional information? That information I will jeng. But on top, when you fake covering letter, a separate cover letter or covering letter, you will explain the circumstances alone no fair no yet. Na can letter me. Daniel application I will me. Yes?
Oh, fine.
No more pay a plain fare can be.
Oh, fine, lent about pay.
A bank here, bank statement, pay slips can be fair. None, I'm a few jacket, okay. O pay slips there, lo bank statement here, about a conversion of the amount new here into pounds. Ona, it will take more here to more 1,800 Ghana cedis. It will convert it to maybe around 312 pounds. Niambaka is a small amount of money. It will carry a savings, allow any other property and evidence never track a buy back a fang agbe. Oh no.
Oh fine. No fine lewe each one your me. Oh fine 2 bedrooms ni. Manyane makage keba imbi baba.
Keba eba femini ubi.
Because each one me your me 2 bedrooms.
That's more than enough for you and him for the visit. It's not a problem.
Imbi be
Ame yenye.
Onukpa 13 ni bibio 6. Ni bia na info bibio.
Okay, it shouldn't be a problem because 2 bedroom plus 1 room is 3 rooms and 3 rooms is for 5 people. Yes, and you will be 10 plus Papa and Baba for visit. That is still 4 people or maximum 5 people. It's more than enough for his visit.
Oh, funny. She manya keke bambi baba na.
Ubi baba.
Inje baba. Keba minje baba hi.
Oh yes. Yes.
Funny.
Ujo baba.
Funny. For you adon you job. Bye bye.
Well, yeah, that's say 0208-133-4646 0208-133-1134. And always way say our question if EU UK free mono Brexit semi saying it makes me affect no ninia and that's a contact on Canada and brother-in-law at the 16 years. And the mother-in-law so a person mummy no eba no more ebetina permanently UK. And no crest easier so we invite to be away 65 years. So UK and now set to say. Sorry.
Yeah. Well, easier set of a man mother-in-law ebeba. than the brother-in-law.
16-year-old.
Yes. Well, I mean, kind of because we share the senior Emrana Omatrona, the mother-in-law no oba under regulation 7.
Okay.
7, I think 7(1)(b) or so, and then the brother-in-law or oba under regulation 8.
Okay.
There are 2 divisions.
Okay.
Now the mother-in-law no dependent on the EA national or the family member.
Okay.
And so bet me just on no na na because on no under regulation 7 it's more pretty straightforward. It's a family member.
Okay.
And bet me just and money transfer and all the other supporting evidence. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but a lot of evidence that just on no money sika.
Okay.
Sika for ni yari also this is 65 years.
65, yeah.
And for ni for feeding, for accommodation, for medical bills, and for travel costs, if that is the case, or every other thing, for any essential and material needs. Now, some applications, very tactical. The law no ever, but the way you approach it can make a lot of difference.
Right.
And as I said, set it. No, your friend saying a table. Yeah, or a table of sika was sending in schedule or a schedule. Sika was sending no data was sending sika no amount I was sending no and what it was used for every year. So day by day and a month by month. And what to miss sending is maybe for 1 whole page or even more. Preview it's in the schedule. I just said this is the amount I send and this is what it's used for. If I could talk caseworker anymore, na BBI already very clear. Very clear. But one yen is all those say over to me and meet the requirements under the regulations. One share they may end up refusing the application. And until American answer is quite it needs meticulous touch to it. Now the brother-in-law no, still no over to me I invite him, but no under regulation 8. And no and no yet to say the mother-in-law no and so
and them say you be can say easier so the 65-year-old than say obi or younger.
By virtue of the fact say 65 years now the mother-in-law no or no under regulation 7 whereas the brother-in-law no or under regulation 8 but omunina no so just say they are dependent on him. Okay. In any case, about me any applications, but as a sort the relationship as well.
BWF Solicitors and Uncle Wisdom a partner will be BWF Solicitors. Or more eboyen ewo emra emu enchichemu yen applications ahodo ye for ya sitna ene abrabomo ewo UK ha. Say yenkoja wo quarter wo adaje obetimi aye the hands obebuki appointment. Omo ewo 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo 7 Sisters North London. Postcode na N15 4NP. Ofa train now before Victoria line na wasi ewo 7 Sisters. Sabre wo hwe wo bre na ne say office no ebie dada and until betimi afre 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. And I say mobile number see me bosso at the amount 077 127 61 884 077 127 61 884 and that's 079 31 41 10 42 079 31 41 10 42. Kai said Dria Wada no Pebia BWF Solicitors 24 a buy and chain Rainbow Radio so DAB so DAB Plus for Manchester tune in Rainbow app and our fee and website so Rainbow Radio online.com rainbowradioonline.com na fi watimi etie ahwe bi also so your Facebook live Rainbow Radio UK na watimi ahwe na also so watimi participate in the program and pay your number ID ejuma no 0208 133 4646 0208 133 1134 agoizo we bisa o say also who form any documents will be here after completing 3 years and 3 years of discretionary leave.
Right, form no set O. My boss with regards to BDA earlier. Set O. Documents over here any passport. So biometric card nibia over here and also. Over here conditions are not always here and sana the first 3 and the second 3 years now. And so the evidence in the council sa condition or that so also. And to send a masu and original yan sana yedi mana. So all the evidence a council the manner or that so air show GP letter IHS or the mofrey echo GP appointments. School letter IHS or that so eddie mofrey echo school. Echo farm school FU school. And then also say a medical condition as I said all the evidence so at the account. As I said or the of course or complete application fee now on the required amount. I think it's 2,300 and something. Let's run it up to about 2,400, just around our region.
Okay.
We'll hear life in the UK test and our English language test. No, won't hear because your man 2-3 years on yet the life in the UK test. But ultimately, so quite the British citizenship and no dear obey. And these are the documents. Or the Ebeka application.
We saw a settled person or an application man about with 15 years some non-metna or UK ha. A yes or budget letter free hospital in Ghana and a yes or jet letter no format being and letter no intake. And how long do they hold information on UK visa applications?
Right. And me person circumstances under which I say abofrane ever or so I settled that is near waka abofrane maame anani papa ewo he say ho eno because we share application under paragraph 297 that is for indefinite leave for a child to join the parent there are different sections of that paragraph. Either say the other parent is alive now or UK ha so we sit now provision wo ho. So the other parent will UK and that's onya sitna any awufuna wa hana person the abofrane bano and so just was so responsibility. And now the other parent no any UK ha now Ghana and any other country again so responsibility and so ebebem and also a very na Uncle Ben say yes and to when here a lot of evidence I will just say the school come or boarding school, the travel cost, the school fees, medical bills, uniform, books, materials, everything. All the major decisions. Without to give the go ahead. There's a case that is mainly about the sole responsibility. I think I'll give that case before we close. Now. With those evidence, no, that is with regards to sole responsibility, Now, say the other parent, NTSC, and with FIMWA, I know dear, it comes under paragraph 297D. 297D, I know their sole responsibility, no, and sole responsibility does not come in there. And we need to know exactly all the full circumstances and any advice, but I've just given a general grounds on which either say the other parent is alive, so responsibility, the other parent is not alive, then no need for so responsibility, but we need a lot more information and sana the tailored advice.
Make call lines on 0208-133-4646. Minia, hold on, I check a fry. Why?
Me patch you.
Any Uncle Ben's on Casa.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Me patch what you say?
I mean, who you won't swear.
Uncle Pando, me who Uncle Ben, me patch you.
But the way Uncle Wisdom.
Uncle Wisdom, oh, okay.
Oh, what's me from Uncle Ben? Say a promotion.
Uncle, me patch me wo enkwala wo fie, me ma me ensa wo fie. Na se se ma wo ti me o maternity leave na me nyan start adwuma nka me start adwuma be 1 year time enti nka me kwa koda nkofo ne sika no so income support so me pa cho bet me affect ma my application na me na
application be na wa application na mo fra ne de na wo ka
mo fra ne de no
se o meba UK ha won
me pa try
asit na be na wo
no indefinite leave to remain
e mo fra ne papa wan
e mo fra ne papa o Ghana.
Okay, in that case no bibi wo ho a ye friend no so responsibility no na maka ne sisia so which is e mo fra ne won papa ho na
me pa cho debi.
Okay, and so okay, so just a one we share mo friend bibia omo didie omo school com omo pomodem everything when we all the major decisions.
Yeah.
What's our evidence
that?
Evidence. Oh, evidence. That is good. Yeah. Good. Then a basic seminar. Who say 18,600 no it does not apply to you. Near it apply to no year. The maintenance level. The you use the friend the income support level maintenance. No wo we our phone would I think £73 10p a week. So you multiply that by 4 weeks you get for the month. And so every child is £66 90p a week. You multiply that by 4 weeks for each child and multiply it again by the number of children. Now what you say sikana wo benyano we will rent and will cancel tax efimwa sikana wo nyano even though you're on maternity leave whether you meet that requirement. Yes, so what to me actually so meet our requirements now then over to me I application no ama emofrano. But so we meet our requirements now in terms of the maintenance they are very likely to refuse. In fact, they will refuse the application. The advice I remember man say so want to me for saying na emma at the same time do it in bits. Do it in bits. For paying ba first or no ba kakran no sign yama the second one and then the third one. That is the way to go about it.
Okay.
Pacho uti asie de.
Me pacho se metini ya na se no de nka affect in a way bia se me ne adwuma se na me dan income no so no affect.
Se
saa nneɛma na wɔka ne nyinaa.
Yes, so wonya saa nneɛma na a wobɛtumi akyerɛ so wobɛtumi ahwɛ wo ho ahwɛ wo ma a wonkɔgye any additional benefit ɛne affect application.
Okay. Okay.
You da CP for your call. You better so with me afre na your text messages, your WhatsApp messages kakra ewa. Ma'am, infa we and so. I'm going some way be say or sending from London. Our EU partner with a 2-year-old baby. And check right now or year application for a residency card as extended family partner. Or apply as unmarried partner, but young farmer on the basis set when to improve a durable relationship with application or the core. They just to me. On any partner no at a shared accommodation and omuntimi insecure all the needed bills and utilities since they are not in their name. And then go betimi ayafa we or jine ho senka or be proxy marriage nanka de our real home krata ne free Ghana edi abreno efutu ben and now the belman no the partner no is expecting a baby and she doesn't have a permanent residence in Tino. Unimsa abofra no intimi insecure British citizenship when delivered. Obetimi aye insurance na so ye insurance what type of insurance and now 1 year?
Yo, insurance doesn't come in here in any case, and or person or insurance just for their own protection, their own sake. That is fine, because the when it comes to a qualified person. Then she's a qualified person. Now, or maternity leave as still no, she is regarded as a qualified person. Now, so we share the basis of the first application. It was on the fact that we partners, durable relationship. Now, Nientiamo refused and he said not one year sufficient evidence and for anchor. To say no or say no expect or expect abofrante that is a very strong evidence I just say the relationship is genuine and subsisting. In other words, it's durable. And yes, sir, Mami, you were, and I'm more evidence I can't want media account with your yes application.
Okay.
Another way around, sir, open swa, omudomo, not open swa warrior, obet to me ama, ibusiafo, aye, the customary marriage in Ghana for them, now what the certificates now, together with the statutory declaration, omo the pictures, and then ewo ho ina e the account. Now ononso e the omo pictures omo wa ha no e the account. So all the sa nyama ina account ho asese no wa shift efi regulation 8 to regulation 7 because once our worry no waba under regulation 7.
Okay.
So mun worry or that's under regulation 8. Now once what this marriage customary marriage registration certificate number no obetimi a fresh application under the EEA FM because near first is EEA EFM, that is EEA extended family member. Or worry we are make us once they are willing and happy to go ahead, why not they should go ahead, get married, omoji marriage certificate and famra on all the other documents no on your application no.
Okay.
Omudimemano.
0208-133-4646 0208-133-1134 Uncle Wisdom
Hello.
BWF Solicitors in Penny 4 and Ewa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Black Para.
Yeah, design.
Hello.
Hello.
Nyami Adum Boko. Uncle Wisdom and Nafi Monkomo.
Uncle Wisdom, good morning.
Good morning. It is saying
Long time.
yes.
Yeah. You didn't have me to about back.
Thank you.
There was a question about competition which I'm my sister. Now, Neba, 10 years very soon, about a month to come.
Okay.
Now, me person me busa which option? Say you be call Zambrano man and ask you be call 10 years route. No, emu dey na against very appropriate because now you consider cost na ni ade no.
Okay. Na but Mr. Mo asit na there.
Omo parents ni nyina Ghanaians.
Omo ni as
akwala na afi na akwala ni binya 10. Think we 10 year naturalized the year.
yes.
Nenka. And then but which option? Say young parents and omo call for Zambrano and answer omo call 10 years route.
So both parents don't have anything then the cheapest, the best option is amunko for the derivative residence card. And we Zambrano. Yes.
Okay.
Amunko for under regulation I think 16 or so, yes. Under regulation 16, amunko for the derivative residence card. Omuni na ebenya omasitna under the derivative residence now.
Okay, and now me fears and so they say now me didn't say Zambrano and the derivative right and a EU route.
Yes, Usha regulation 16 now makana Zambrano a EU case law. But UK for ajetum so it's been implemented. Now British citizen who are our British citizen are non so a EU national because Britain UK is part of the EU automatically a British citizen child is also an EU national. And what is said is that se uwo eba your provision for EU national child abofra EU national and your provision for abofra so or British citizen se uwo eba or your British citizen na yese wo awofonomo anamo awofonomo mfi kromo ha enko a ene ekire se abofra no nso esese ofi ekrom ha which is against the law and nontina abofra nyina no betime gina abofra esu na oye omo.
Okay, now no because of Brexit and so no any effect be our so in case the British you come out of Europe now let's say 5 years in this one because the man say they will not get what do you call it indefinite after 10 years or so 5 years ago.
Yes, that is what Omoka says the derivative residence card does not lead to settlement, but young argument is it will lead to it one way or the other. Nienti aye kasa BWF yeka sani say. First of all, more 5 years now, it is lawful residence. Yes, somehow another 5 years, it is also again lawful residence. Now, uko another immigration rules now, paragraph 276B, A or B, I think. And no choice, so be at na krom ha for 10 years lawfully. that person can apply for indefinite leave to remain. Now, you're more 5 years under Zambrano. Yes, I'm another 5 years. The question is, those 10 years, was it lawful? And if it is yes, then, of course, wait to me application.
You can get it.
Exactly. And to me application.
Okay. Now, Nadia made kind of earlier on, say, it means 5 years before we exit from Europe. Next year, exit here. So, next 5 years, yeah, exit number time and 5 years here on Zambrano.
People who are your friend of the transitional arrangement or protection. Say, Obi, Emrada Dabiasina, say, Emrana Essa, Omuya protection, and Omuya provisions be to protect Omuasa Emrana say. And eventually, say, you fit, ultimately, there will be transitional arrangements to protect. Protect the Zambrano as say ultimately no just imagine say yes munya sit na biom. Can you imagine what will happen? Zambrano saying you can just imagine how chaotic that will be, and there will be provisions to secure all those people, right? Now Nyameka Ediaka say with these derivative residence applications, it has to be looked at carefully, very, very carefully. It's almost setting it out very, very well in terms of school feeding, school dinner fee, GP letter, school letters. It's almost setting it out very, very well in a schedule. We're setting it out well. Yeah,
okay. But that's the number.
Eda say bye bye 0208-133-4646 0208-133-1134. I'm going to my main for text the Emra or say document on far and can naturalization application or indefinite and divorce from the British wife bro indefinite in 2009.
Okay. Before my course question, now I wanted to talk about sole responsibility.
And now the case we have.
Yes, the case of TD. So our case no it's a key case that regulates or that guides. The principle is set out in that case with regards to sole responsibility. And then as I said, which is we all the major decisions in Abufrana alive, and that is the case I not me personally referred to.
Yeah, when you see documents being on fan kind of naturalization application when the situation or indefinite, uja in a British wife, indefinite in 2009. Uja in a British wife, my time.
I'm say ofray and a man response.
I think
yes, but yes, the over here B1, over here life in the UK test. Or first degree, also first degree and the masters, and in that case, on here B1 no. Life in the UK test, the passports, so biometric card now. 2009, I don't think biometric was in place then. The passports, and then complete the form, pay the fee, and send the application off.
That's it.
That's it.
It's simple, sir. Now more lawyer for more simple, sir. Oh, when you be so which mean you soon a credit card any in the naturalization application.
Yes, he's the same person because of his he called it.
Masa, I text now sending the now.
Yes, and I make say bet to me because the payment slip no there's a section for the applicant's details, and there was section for the payer, the person who is paying, the card holder's details. And so the card holder and the details no ever share now who we are applicant no so who details we call the applicant's details no now the BBI at the account na odi ako.
Okay. 0208-133-4646. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Is that mommy?
Well, Namia Dumo.
You go so kakaka.
But you met me Uncle Wisdom Akasakaka.
But you will quite why?
Uncle Wisdom, good morning.
Good morning, at saying.
Hello.
Hi, cause we are here to you.
But what's a minute?
You're told Nepa because you why?
I'm a permanent resident. Now, I'm due for naturalization next month. Now, my separated from my husband. The application. Now, me fill the form. Me who say on the form, on the naturalization form. Or mature separation legally. Into me take you on into me who say me fa legal documents be
from solicitor they can I say I was cemetery marriage certificate near Jan and I'm the count. And I was a bit confused in time fresh.
Yo, Munya and divorcee and you are still a married person. Now, so what court evidence I just more separated and no dear ubetumidi and also at the account. Make I say a few years back, Obabi, Eba, say and prepare deed of separation, a mano, because not on any kuno no Eba understanding say our reanya dear, yebetime our review nanso, divorce nanso, and ye ready say yebekosu society, ye a deed of separation, and all the kind application, and also omudi a man ultimately. And yes, someone divorce here. Now, I'm here marriage certificate now, to make the account. But so we don't need any evidence from court. I just say you are separated, legally separated. If there is nothing to add, there is nothing to add.
Mami says some kitu ebi so dey so. Be an board because it might even be an answer a question or whatever to us. So a deed of separation, a legal document.
It is because we prepare now. What sign? Yes. Now it's like you are swearing an oath, an affidavit. Now lawyer prepare what sign, once what sign. It's a legal document. It carries the effect of law because we share somewhere on the closing parts. No, near air can say the other party and to interrupt the freedom of the other party and vice versa.
Okay,
and it carries.
So freedom. No, does it include the freedom to remarry?
Remarry no. When to me and worry until say we're divorced. Yes, okay. And you can be separated, but as long as munyanjai aware no. Want to me and worry. Yes.
You, mami, but what you
talking? To say no, make me say me who lawyer no. Or yes, for my mami.
Who pair over to me aye amount and your compulsory, but over to me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yo, me that's.
All right. Yes, that's CP. Bye bye. 020813344646. We Abisa said, ne partner on it no EE national. We are on the road to getting married. I'm going on. We are on the road to getting married, and I'm quite saying, now, our training decree absolute to go through. Obaya oneno namkwanso omoko akowari wafa yefunu na onye sure say ehonwa. The plan is for her to support Sebia oyeni family member application now obet buano once the divorce is complete. Na say omotimi establish say enyo ono na ye father of the baby after wawari na. Would they have any consequence on the application na?
Mr. Sisumami Wanami
or say, on EE national energy.
Okay.
Partner, no.
All right.
Or more, and I am share on Baby worry.
Yes.
But I know Bema now or cannot chain the decree absolute. Let us say, what previous our more or the divorce action.
Yes.
Encode through. Okay. Now, the Obisa NSA. EE national yaw on energy. Obanin. Say or any application or ban be support.
Right.
But Bibi Chen say ni say na ban ni say enyo no dia.
Right.
Say omo worry na e established to say abofra no enyo no na ye father. E benya consequence be on the application na.
Right. My main fan is say what worry and echna mama yawo abofre enya wo ba nanso wo se uni mama edaso ete. Now the problem is it can be a fly in the ointment because it will create create doubt say eba ne senga obi a woni na ware no abofra
mo ware no onyim no enyo.
Exactly, because during the time na mo dating na onyim after the time on ware no sorry, up to the time I was friend, and Abu friends and Yawuba. It can create some doubts.
Okay.
However, that is not to say the marriage is not genuine.
Okay.
If you bet me about say be enyim, of course, I'll call having an affair, or abase enya uba, but you still love her. Person in it was so worry. Still no, but to me, akoso aware no sir. We application be not set the efficacy for Home Office have any doubts or they have any suspicions. Bet me from for interview. Mukwa but clarify BBR. And if the two of you are happy to carry on with the marriage or the relationship, that is fine. Emrano doesn't speculate say obi eko wo ewana aware mo want to me enter our enisubio. That is not what the law says. It is the law that we are using. And to just be sure, so say Bibi Saba, it's likely, say, you bet me a friend for interview. And now they can visit you. Just be prepared to respond to whatever questions they may ask if you go for an interview. Once they are satisfied, what's it, Nana? I'm confirmed now.
Right. 020813344646. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. It is saying.
Mpacho yo.
But okay, free.
Efremi Julius.
But okay, free.
Me can't fi me enkani ba me yen kakaka.
Julius.
Mpacho.
Julius, what you mean?
Papa lawyer asem kakra.
No, okay, you too.
Madam Fubina, because no okasalo na bibi. What more than 10 years only BBR only ba on two quite that or here Jumansu or the needing according to no the needing here Juma over to me I call a very dangerous in Yama is really help. Because what about 10 years.
Pacho, the visa ben or the backroom ha.
Only Bibia.
Yo, sir, only Bibia. Emrana Sisaya from the 9th of July 2012. First, no, not a year, 14 years, sir. Obi ewo krom hanase. Ni visa ewu na watime actually say watina krom for 14 years continuously or me application for indefinite leave to remain. But from the 9th of July 2012 no na emrana SSI omo 20 years and say wonyanya 20 years and now one evidence actually say watina krom for 20 years and no dear want to me any sa application unless say bibi fufuro bi wo na brabo mu na obetime ejina so example we the example na memo waware ne yire no e wo abofra a ne ba no eye British citizen ono abaye pa abofra stepfather or the nico GP or the nico school onya sa letters na dia kire oni abofra e wo pictures I say ampa papa and I very responsible in the child's life. In that case, although say onyen the 20 years no, obet me jina ne stepchild ne so, and any you so no, na odia application. And now say there is a serious medical condition, and on the pure Article 8 application. Now obet me consultant's report, detailed report, and also obet me jina so edia application. Nti there are scenarios and sesa nipa nitina for 20 years obetime application but se bibisa anywhere any sort now for 20 years
okay mpacho ya mu ye favor na I think we have to come to your office and bebua because nti ye gusutie o ya na mu fam office normal no
yo
chambers no I can say you should put online once again.
Thank you.
But prepare so better is here answer wako. Okay. Office number is 0208 493 73 40.
Okay.
But your number ben what trouble mami?
0208 493 7340.
Why?
Okay.
So I'm here Monday to Friday from 9:30 to number 6. Why?
Okay. Let me chip in this. Only baby. I don't know, but AI free. Oh, there's one thing we have to go straight. And now if you wouldn't overcome, because yet that same number. Oh, catch on panel say open chonkrofoni man no money. Uncle come. You give me 10 pounds and have a nice day. Have a blessed day. They can't just come and see there for charity. Which is here. Now what you mistake? Now feed you now. Master, I wouldn't overcast them.
Almost social service, no why?
What catches the upa young call. And also, have a blessed day.
You too, boss. Thank you. Anyway. 0208-133-4646. You have a couple of calls and with text messages. Uncle Wisdom Kwai no akwa adwuma akwa ye adwuma ede aboye nyina. Me for voice note to uncle.
Yeah. Hello, good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Kweku. Pacha pomoe. Uncle Ben, pacha mchasem bisa question B. Your mommy 2.5. Ijina me partner eba. I British so and minya na say me name partner no intimate tikakra na so me name partner no esan oba or no by December no ono so be 10 na register no as British and name bisa ne say me partner NTB no so as I said me my home office for ya aware na me say say next time they say me 2.5 years no na say me jina me bag girl na ono so obedi 10 years no possible na but you know na pese me ho me da say
okay I go on.
Yes there be Emrabian say my home office for year aware say the relationship is broken. One can only obano omuoba.
One.
Okay. Mejidi said there's a child in between.
I'm trying to be a bit near catching up.
Yes.
Maybe by December no also be 10
that's
register no as British. And then we have a partner eba British so and minya.
Okay.
Na
okay.
Yes, not ordinary partner, but we are British. So to say, only Abu Fani's stepfather to say, Yamikai a short while ago. No, the yes, sir, or no, Nibano, Eddie, 10 years, not registered as a British citizen, or bet me, Nibano Susu, not Odi, Anyane, another 2.5 years. Because the relationship between or no and any partner, no, I break it down. Probably on to me and rely on the stepchild again. Okay. But on Nankasa Nibana or a British citizen or bet me Jinanesu for another 2.5 years. But as I said, on maintaining the relationship, to say not on any stepchild, no, not on maintaining no. Okay. On your evidence now, or the way application you
and there is the mefa one text message, mefa one phone call. Now for your day, sorry, the brand NT. Text messages no dozo. Okay, Mami Fawi, was say why your citizenship application for Neba with 10 years or your bar. Your brand certificate and a British passport, it was done within 3 weeks. But a cover letter says that I should cut her previous BRP card and send it to them. And the answer was yes, sir.
Yes, so yes, sir. Ushe guidance nusua almost one farmer within I think is it 7 days or 14 days. I need to check that. They'll find you £1,000. Yes. This thing came up to when I checked. I say it will find you £1,000. So one farmer within time. And in Yomupe actually said what track indefinite level no. And
when he has a card,
Nibium. So say the Okra British citizen.
Davey.
It's a security document, very, very sensitive. On say information.
And there was
and Uchamwa would I share envelope one more address as I said what they call. Now what post say Amawam. That's all there is to do.
Okay. And the last call no hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Morning.
Uncle, Wisdom, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, Yeti.
Hello.
Good morning, Bacha Yeti. Why?
Me pacho, me question, pacho, me lawyer. Me pacho, me kuta kromu ha diye. Efa me Mary, sorry. Me kuta kromu ha, na bekosia be me bi ewo mpanse Europe. Enti me ye dwuma so ha say mpacho kwan bi da ho se metimi aboa no de na ba ha onkuta hwe ho.
Yes, ubetime aye application amano. Another way out ni say ubetime ene na akotna ewo ho. Wako settle wo ho kakra, waye dwuma wo ho. Wo pay slips, bank statements, letter from employer. I just say aho na what it say. Woko ho a wako akodane EU national ewo ho. And in that case, uba ubetime mo ware wie a ubetime nene aba ekrom ha. I know another EU rules no. But se won pesa uye ni saa ene ubeye application amano under the British rules no. A hono na saa 18,600 no ebem. A hono na SSL English language test no. A hono na pay slips for 6 months. A hono na bank statement for 6 months. Pay 60. Evidence of genuine relationship. Se wuko ekosrano back and forth, telephone calls, emails, money transfer, greeting cards, Valentine cards, birthday cards, so evidence no ewo ho. And two options. One is pretty straightforward, but actually say you has a court now. After some time, no 6 months, 8 months, now we no aba. And now we under the British rule, the requirements are quite a lot. The 18,000 and in your kikaona. And yes, you have options that over to me. Eddie, ayamano.
We time on us soon, but Obi Adi was play my voice note last week. You didn't play. And I'm constantly the account. I'm going to wait a Mr.
No problem.
2 minutes.
Good morning, Kweku. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Anope Yadamasi wo Jumedia Mudima Ghana for your Amarane. But my question is my application based on Meba. Na my application na yentimbo na obano eti any akolaneti baby fufro FLRFP first application. Na sisi no me 2 free baby eti best no. Baby area na me no mumienu ti no. Etu free ha akono tamtin an application ni demu da nti pese me busa se e wo se me bo efficacy mo amane se akola ne mama etu ana se wo se me jan sa na nkofa complications bi abre me nti mpacho me question no ana mpacho mpese me se hu biem se e ba ne se me ni omokotena eno so be ebetima have implication beyond application nana. That's it.
Yo, sir, abufrane ni mame atua. Near as I said, which I say, Ushe Emrana again. Ushe Emrana. I said there has to be a genuine and subsisting relationship between abufrano and in awufono. Genuine and subsisting. Samunti the same area, but ubet me actually said there is a genuine and continuing relationship. It is a basis on which I bet me application. Mijidi said nunti na uye. First, namuti the same area. We did a similar one. The gentleman is in Slough. Nanso na maame no ne abofra no Coventry. And what happens ni say eya okoho every week and ni ticket auto na no wa parking na and na bank statement sika no FM nso no omotis kan so odin na nso eka ho okwa oye shopping ema abofra no amfa oye shopping wa hakransa na ansa no wako or the sar resist ni na edika ho okwa or the abofra no epie or the pictures and the evidence ni na edika ho abofra no mama nso chwo letter e kan say ampa papa obeho ye every weekend and sometimes say me koye bibi mean to me any abofra no enko oba any abofra no betna wow sir I go ahead to do what I have to do and to odin na in that case in spite of the distance no still no omode Emma. And in this case,
will play a significant role.
Very significant role. Yes.
Okay.
In fact, GP Krano order when as the emergency contact for Abofrano. And anonso ina eka hona omode ema no. And say omo atua and kyerese relationship no between wo and wo ba no eto atwa dey. You have to maintain that relationship. You have to maintain that relationship. And of course, say we share application form this one omo request be bia abofran ne ene ne maame no omote. This omo change address nso a ese se woman efficacy for ehun se omo tu. I heard and I'm also say nonetheless no, you still have the relationship with Une Ubano. Until this evidence no in a account woman is a car. What the Tony Mami account more payment slips no keeping in send Mami crab on the bank statement with the evidence no ever count. Shopping receipts, travel tickets and all those other evidence I would be channel for in account. The application should be successful.
Wisdom, yada say nyame inshow say anopin so when you chair unim die usi hunu na fi BWF Solicitors so mabebo ayen obi say on kofo ba men kanjo so no munkutia consultation fee consultation fee say nipa dodo e frɛ ye ne won wa send a text ne ye jiwa em say nenka mo yes ka for pa nan so mo de ni nyina ache yen yada sipi nansa na be kono eja yen tradition no den na be jayen.
Yo, before me call ni amide bejano so no me pese me fa ekwan we so na yeah me twi no yeah na I always question my twi no but I think yeah me pese me na akwanya isu na me da ye mpanyin ase Uncle Ben say wama a lot of young Ghanaian lawyers or law students to train and yet easy say we will law school to get training in this country. We are minority no adding, but we're setting up BWF. In fact, it's giving us the opportunity to train, and then there are a lot of young ones up, which is amazing. We thank God for his life. So last week Obo Eding in yes, it's a full house.
One thing okay, nanka we are mekadi, but let me interrupt with this. More family no year, very gracious, very huge, and of course more. Your bond is brilliant. Because last week, the way he praised Munyina, yourself as a partner, the other lawyers, my favorite in your house, a chancellor.
Yeah, you're forcing.
Yeah, Chancellor. I didn't mean I'm the man. But and also by without being prompted, you praising him and the other, and you know, I think it's one thing. You know, a bit me as we appreciate that so much.
We thank God, sir. He's brought us together as a team. That's just the way. That's because
when you're lawyer and I
anyway, sir. And so many people.
That's right. Yeah.
Yes, and say yeah, done us say. We thank God for his life, and we are grateful. Niame person with the church requirement say. Nkrofo be very concerned about this Brexit.
That's right.
And so be a esro. Nti yakane and over and again say wo bibia yen intem because omo we negotiations but sometimes yan yen ho bia and say wo bibia we ni you ni relationship so mo twentwe mo nan ase a wo person mo ware intem application into intem wo person odi wo ba bi ba this is the best time wo person wo ye no uba no e Ghana or anywhere in the world we are EU national wo ha as a set we an application and person do mama ba but me your application as once you meet the requirements and no and not me de ejamo etiefo but last cry I said normally pastors some preach am say finally but now see in conclusion case be by recent I think just a few days ago in the case of Sakib Khan ekasa efa say we human rights application Nase Home Office refuse the application. Nase Oma the right to appeal. The summary of the whole case, Nise, you have to appeal anyway. Although Oma the right to appeal, no, you have to still appeal to the first year tribunal. Now, Omwa decided based on the fact finding. Actually, as a set, Omwa on the right to appeal, because one exercise the right of appeal, then you end up losing it. One share, they'll start coming after you. Say, make preparations and leave the UK. And to say, you still have to appeal, but it's a technicality. So we lawyer and AMA, and then you make the decision based on the refusal decision. It's here for Hannah Yedimbasi. Namau Elonko. Akwenam Yogataba Megado to me, but Mega co advice about that in Ami. Na me Semyonko Ayo here Benemia, Abamia Boka, Maroku, Miapa number. Brakweku eke dagare kaji miaku kaname miavava po Uncle Ben Yento Fred Lafima Richard Lafima Francis Lafima Eunice Ali Rosemary Lee miukata miatang attend to you miatak po na kwekwere wadelia miekwekwere miangu nyado ha olia mietang bro na ukata le kaji ga kene mieva mienonyia kemiade nyado ikola galama miado katang adu gwenami mauna no anyi klemi katang da se ne se nyame ma yenkwa na yesu ama ene ye besan asia
Uncle Wisdom and I'm what say the can say anopay oni yen eba ebedi juma ofri BWF Solicitors ejumemu nyame ya duma same time next week you know be share but mami mbo number no so send your kind say they are 2 Jano mesa they are 2 Jano BWF Solicitors on number no 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 announce 077 127 61 884 077 127 61 884 announce 079 31 41 10 42 079 31 41 10 42 BWF Solicitors programming same time next week yeba sign a day abremo yami insha munyina sani Uncle Wisdom kan say yesu ama yeba sign a shebu. Good morning.
Stand up. I can't say Ghana and Kuana high edge, Mr.
So I would any more see Ubu and Sa what is Jow. Afe will brand Emma NCC swore. One son said was so chabras or by what chabra amona mono when you say and I say. That's how the American Kuana, a member swab one papa. Bema no base here with Jimuntem. Fe Bema and Bema Eninaso. And who are the above from Pa. Bema no bet me see an answer a Bembem. Your bronifer low spam count. And they are dear have Bema, Nemwa, a money member ye in your payan. Marcel did no be bro, Nabayon, and watching your rabbit is a pressure diabetes, cholesterol.
dɔɔso wɔ mogya mu a ɔbɛyɛ ho adwuma deɛ nwanwa ne sɛ wɔwɔ nkyɛkyɛ bi ɔde ma wo ma wɔhu no aduane ɛsɛ sɛ wodie ne neɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wodie ɛba saa wode wo ho firi nyarewa nyinaa ho ɛfisɛ yare ahodoɔ abu nipa yi bebree yɛdedie ne ɔno mu maasɛli wɔkɔ hahanno ho sukuu ɛwɔ aburokyimam ɔne aborɔfo yi ayɛ research abom ɛnya hahanno bi a na wɔse pɛɛ yɛ nyinaa gyina to maasɛli nɔmba nie 2120 Anna 074 11 04 23 29
Buongiorno, Ebenezer, door to door. Ebenezer, door to door. Yani, I homa sembia, ebio, door to door. Bibia soa kai se Ebenezer door to door ye no sharp cra ni wonderful easy Ebenezer door to door to timrika na fa ni nyina breye freyen wo Italy wind number
Hello, Mr. Queen. Good morning. Ajuenio, Ghana. Good morning. Yes,
Unibank Ghana, Mama, be account for UK. Ha, Net said you may want Ghana Pepe. Muzimia Sutrabia, my interest rate no so was Rokama, and I'm a Unibank Mastercard no so bridge more UK. Oh, they say my Daromanti, the Ban Misika Semo Ghana Padia, and it moved to me also.
I am in the past, so when yaji.
So what's your butchim?
Hey, sister, I pass out me first African for a crime.
Hey, and to the day, he and now do sika manifa.
Baby, and I'm defining the commission, a killer commission.
Killer, I didn't know.
And yes, I'm remittance to cry. Now, dear,
a year pass about first African remittances or what Tima Pa. One commission at the form a year very low. Where your boga account, fixed deposit, interest, a year crash and treasury brim.
We didn't offer charm you. Send this kind of crowd called you or Ghana Commercial Bank nearest branch.
Send your crowd. Wow. First African any Ghana Commercial Bank account boom. Over 156 branches. And Tibet will be an Osayo village with town and city. It is a cry. I'm a bushing for Ghana.
Yeah,